Once upon a time, in the small village of Greenville, there lived a little girl named Lily. She had bright red hair that bounced like springs and an adventurous spirit that led her to explore every nook and cranny of the world around her. Greenville was surrounded by lush forests and sparkling rivers, an Eden of natural beauty that enchanted Lily every day. She loved listening to the songs of the birds and watching the dance of the butterflies. Her favorite place was a giant oak tree by the river, known as the Whispering Oak because it seemed to whisper secrets to those who listened closely. One sunny afternoon, Lily decided to visit the Whispering Oak. As she approached, she noticed something unusual. The once clear river was now clogged with trash. Lily frowned and thought about the animals living near the river. How would the fish swim in such murky waters? How could the deer and rabbits drink safely? Determined to make a difference, she ran back home to tell her parents. "Mom, Dad," Lily called urgently. "We need to clean the river." Her parents agreed, and the next day, the whole family went to the riverbank with bags and gloves. Inspired by their action, other villagers joined in. Together, they worked tirelessly, picking up litter until the river sparkled once more. Through this experience, Lily learned the importance of respecting nature. She understood that every creature, no matter how big or small, plays a vital role in the ecosystem. She realized that people can make a positive change if they care enough. From then on, Lily became a guardian of Greenville's natural treasures, organizing cleanup events and educating her friends about keeping their village pristine. Her efforts did not go unnoticed. The mayor of Greenville invited her to town hall where he praised her initiative, saying, "Lily, you're a true steward of nature. Because of you, our village is healthier and brighter." Lily beamed with pride but humbly replied, "It's all thanks to the amazing support from my family and friends. Together, we can keep Greenville beautiful." Lily's story spread far and wide, inspiring children everywhere to respect and care for their environment. And so, with the Whispering Oak as her witness, Lily continued her green adventures, planting seeds of hope and change wherever she went. The villagers would often come to the Whispering Oak to hear its gentle rustling leaves, imagining they could hear it thanking Lily for her actions and believing they too could make a change, if only they listened closely to nature's whispers. Subscribe to Mindfull Kids Club for more heartwarming stories and emotional adventures. New videos every week. Don't miss out.